Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ARPA chain. We need to see the exact support levels and if we need to have a buying pressure right now or if we can go further down. Before we continue, of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, 7 days free trial on Patreon and on the third tier, which we have everyday trading, scalping strategy. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So ARPA chain right here, 0.107887. And right now you can see that ARPA chain is holding a major support level, but at the end of the day, it doesn't look so promising into the lower time frames. What I mean by that is I have drawn the fib from the bottom to this top back when we had this fake out to the upside and then the huge crash. Right here you can see that this is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and of course many people would argue that if we hold it we can go further higher, right? Yes, it is the case. However, right here it is always that case, and the reason I'm talking about the 0.5 is because it is a strong support level but not the strongest. If we hold it and we do not close below in the 4-hour frame this target right here, we could be going all the way up to the test the 0.1088. Okay, so the next resistance level would be the previous Fibonacci number. We go here, and then what we are going to do is simply we go to have a buying pressure. However, the case with ARPA chain is that if you see it, we close below in the 4-hour frame and we go further down, then we might be going further down, not only a small correction coming in, but at the 0.1069. Now the case right here is from where we are right now, this is another minus 13%. And of course, if you want to long right now, this would not be the best decision of your life, right? I mean that right now what we need to do, it is simply we need to wait a little bit. More likely ARPA chain is more for a short position instead of a long one, but to be honest with you, until we lose this support level, I'm not sure if ARPA chain is going to go to the next. Okay, first we need to take it step by step, closing below this target right here in the 4-hour frame. Even in the 4-hour frame, some people would prefer the daily frame, since when you go to the higher time frames you minimize the risk. But at the end of the day, if we have the 0.1078 and we hold it, then we can hold it and go into the next price target, which will be here. Most likely, as I've talked about multiple times, ARPA chain will be in for lower lows and lower highs. What I mean by that is, even if we meet this target, then probably we are going to get rejected, going further down into the 0.1069. For me personally, revisiting the 0.1069 will be the case for ARPA chain and for the next few days. So please be extremely careful even if we have a buying opportunity right here. It won't be like ARPA chain will be going anytime soon at the 0.1013. You can see right here we found the 0.1013 exactly as a target, and then we moved further down. Okay, so this would be very good, very nice for ARPA chain. Okay, so pretty careful right now. This would be very good if we didn't have it as a resistance level. I mean that, okay, and it would be pretty good if we could close above the 0.12. Right now, we do not want to go into long position. I want you to stay careful, and yeah, for me personally, we are going to revisit the 0.1069, right? So these are the exact price targets. If you see ARPA chain by any means closing above in the 4-hour frame right here, then yes, ARPA chain could be on the verge to go into the 0.10. From there we are going to find the huge rejection and go down. So multiple chances that we see a mini buying pressure, but the point here is that even if you see the buying pressure, nothing is stopping us from going to the 0.1069. Please be extremely careful. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.